Hi there and welcome to today's class. For today's class, we're looking at a question on physics on the topic momentum. All right. This question says a ball of mass 0.5 kilogram moving at 10 meter per second collides with another ball of equal mass. All right. So notice that it's equal mass at rest. If the two balls move off together after the impact, calculate their common velocity. All right. So first things first, solution as usual. Your first task is to list out the given parameters. So if I look at that question, they said a ball of mass. They now said collided with another ball. In other words, we have two balls here, right? We have two balls in this question here. So we'll call the masses of the balls, right? Let's call their masses M1 and M2. So for the first ball, the mass is M1. M1 is equal to, they said it's 0.5 kilogram. Okay. But they said a mass 0.5 kilogram moving at 10 meter per second. It means that number two, the velocity, let's call this u, of this particular mass M1 is given as 10 meters per second. So we have this. Okay, so what's the next thing there? They said it collided with another ball. So let's get a second ball. Now, what's the mass of the second ball? They said of equal mass. So that means my third given parameter is the mass of the second ball, M2, which they said it has equal mass with the first ball. So M2 equal to M1, and the value here is 0.5 kilogram, all right? Equal mass, okay? They said at rest. So the mass 2 or the ball 2 was at rest. If a body is at rest, it means it is not moving and hence its velocity is 0. That means u of 2, the initial velocity of ball 2 is 0. Why? The ball is not moving. Now they said after colliding, they said they move together with a common velocity. All right, we have to find that velocity. So number 5, v is equal to unknown. Now notice that we did not say v1 or v2, we said v. Why? Because they move with a common velocity. So we have this. All right, let's solve v. Now how do we solve this? You have to recall that this question here is under what is called an inelastic collision. For inelastic collision, when bodies collide, they move together with the same velocity. And the formula for inelastic collision is m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 plus m2 into v. This is literally your formula for inelastic collision. Let's impute values. M1 is 0.5. So I have M1 0.5 times U1. U1 is 10 plus M2. The same mass. M2 is 0.5. So 0.5 times U2. We said it's static. It's at rest. That's 0. Plus M1 plus M2. Okay, so it's equal to, please, equal to M1 plus M2. M1 is 0.5 plus M2 is another 0.5. This into V. V is unknown. All right, let's impute values and see what we get. From here, 0.5 times 10 gives you 5. So I have 5 here plus 0.5 times 0. Of course, anything times 0 is equal to, this becomes 0.5 plus 0.5. That gives you 1 multiplying V. Let's simplify further. This now gives you 5 plus 0 is equal to 1 times V is V. 5 plus 0 is 5. That means that V is equal to 5. Velocity is measured in meter per second. That becomes 5 meter per second. All right, or you can say 5 is equal to V. They mean the same thing. So basically, this is how you solve this question. So it means that they move together with a common velocity, and that common velocity is actually 5 meter per second. All right. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. All right. Share this video to your friends so they can also learn, and also leave a comment as it helps us to grow. Thank you and see you in our next class.